Hello and welcome again to our new task. Learn how to handle change. An effective change protocol includes measures to seamlessly conduct planning, prioritization, acceptance, and integration. This means that the change management process should be smooth and efficient, with clear steps for identifying, assessing, approving, and implementing changes. Examples of measures to seamlessly conduct planning, prioritization, acceptance, and integration. Have a well-defined change management process in place. Use a change request form to track and manage change requests. Establish a change review board to approve or reject change requests. Have a process for communicating changes to stakeholders. Have a process for testing and integrating changes into the project. Have a well-established protocol for initiating and analyzing change requests and a process to ensure changes happen smoothly. This means that the team should have a clear process for submitting and reviewing change requests. The team should also have a process for ensuring that changes are implemented smoothly and without disruption to the project. Examples of a well-established protocol for initiating and analyzing change requests. A change request form that is easy to use and understand. A clear process for submitting and reviewing change requests. A change review board that is composed of qualified and experienced individuals. A process for communicating the status of change requests to stakeholders. This includes corrective and preventive actions, setting control limits and thresholds, and risk management. Corrective and preventive actions are taken to address identified risks and issues. Control limits and thresholds are used to monitor project performance and identify potential problems early on. Risk management is the process of identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks. Examples of corrective and preventive actions: setting control limits and thresholds, and risk management. Developing a risk management plan to identify, assess, and mitigate risks. Setting control limits and thresholds to monitor project performance and identify potential problems early on. Taking corrective and preventive actions to address identified risks and issues. Change and risk are interdependent. Teams need to be prepared to handle change required in response to both negative and positive risks. Changes to a project can be caused by both negative and positive risks. Teams need to be prepared to handle both types of changes. Examples of negative risks, threats, and positive risks, opportunities. Negative risks, threats: loss of a key team member, technical problems, changes in customer requirements. Positive risks, opportunities: new technology becomes available. Customer feedback leads to new product features. The project is completed ahead of schedule and under budget. What are the tools and techniques that we can use here? Change request, CR. A change request is a formal request to make a change to a project. Change requests are submitted by stakeholders and reviewed by the Change Review Board. Configuration management. Configuration management is the process of controlling changes to a product or service. Configuration management is important because it helps to ensure that the product or service meets the requirements of the stakeholders. Examples of configuration management activities: identifying and tracking all changes to the product or service, assessing the impact of changes on the product or service, approving or rejecting changes, implementing changes, testing and verifying changes. Data analysis. Data analysis is the process of collecting, cleaning, and analyzing data to extract meaningful insights. Data analysis can be used to make informed decisions about changes to a project. Examples of data analysis techniques: cost-benefit analysis, ROI analysis, gap analysis, interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills are the skills that people use to communicate and interact with others. Interpersonal skills are important for change management because they help to ensure that stakeholders are consulted and informed about changes. Examples of interpersonal skills: communication skills, listening skills, negotiation skills, problem-solving skills, relationship building skills. What are the deliverables and artifacts present here? Change Management Plan. A change management plan is a document that describes how changes to a project will be managed. The change management plan should include the following information: the process for submitting and reviewing change requests, the criteria for approving or rejecting change requests, the process for implementing changes, the process for communicating changes to stakeholders. Risk Management Plan. A risk management plan is a document that describes how risks to the project will be managed. The risk management plan should include the following information: the process for identifying and assessing risks, the process for developing and implementing risk mitigation plans, the process for monitoring and updating the risk management plan. Product backlog. The product backlog is a prioritized list of all the work that needs to be done to complete the project. The product backlog is updated as changes are made to the project.